and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be changing all of my facial piercing jewelry. I don't do this very often, okay? So this is quite a treat, but I just finished filming a Halloween body jewelry haul and try on, and that really kind of inspired me to really get into the spooky season, and we need to get rid of some of this silver and change it all to black because I feel like it's just gonna look really cool. I usually really only like the look of like the silver jewelry, but for whatever reason, I'm craving like an all black moment. This is one of the new septum rings that I got. It's from Ophir. I just kind of want everything else to match this piece right here. So we're gonna be changing my nostrils, my lips, and my, whoops, wrong eye, and my eyebrow. So everything else is all silver, but we need to have black. Everything you're seeing is the exact same, but we're just gonna be switching it out to black. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I am, you know, not to like toot my own horn or anything, but I am really good at changing body jewelry. I'm really quick at it. It has taken years and years and years of practice, of tedious, sweaty work to get really good at changing my jewelry. I do it all the time. I do it all by myself. Everything is ready to go. My hands are clean. I do have makeup on my face, but that's not like a huge deal because all of my piercings on my face are healed. So it's gonna get like a little bit messy. Just because I have makeup on. I usually do this without makeup, but I don't want to look like a goblin. So I have all of my jewelry laid out. I have my nostrils, my lips, and my eyebrow laid out. And the two tools that I live by when it comes to changing my body jewelry is a pair of little like 5-inch locking hemostats. This helps grip the barbell so I can screw the ball on. And I also love gloves. Sometimes on our fingers we have natural oils. Sometimes our fingertips can be a little bit slippery. So using gloves, these just help get a really good grip on the jewelry. So I do like to use these. I don't use these every time, but when I need them, they come in handy. So those are the two things I always keep with all of my body jewelry. So I'm just gonna show you how I take them out, how I put them in, and we're just gonna hang out and change my facial jewelry today. Is this an exciting video? I have no idea, okay? I'm just filming a bunch of stuff today because I feel like it. So without further ado, let's go from silver to black. Here we go. So I brought you guys in really close to my face so you guys can see what I am doing. Or you have to see my face this up close because that's just terrifying. I think we're gonna do the nostrils first. So I'm just gonna start by taking each one out. So we're gonna start with this one right here and this one. And these are just little L-shaped ones, so they slide right out. Now I'm gonna do the hoops. And I get a lot of questions about my nose hoops and what size they are because they do hug my nose really tight. These are, I believe, 18 gauge, 1/4 of an inch diameter, okay? So these nose rings are insanely tiny. Like they are little tiny things. But that is the look that I like and that is the size that they are. I don't like nose rings that stick out too far from the nose because I just personally think that looks a little bit silly. So I like them tight and to hug. All right, and we are going to do the black L-shaped little ones right here. These I believe are from Urban Body Jewelry. And just gonna pop and slide those in right there. It's not really flattering because you kind of have to pick your nose a little bit when you do this. And then I have the other one right here that we're gonna do on the other side. Okay, woohoo, matching. And now for the hoops, just gonna slide it up in my nose. And you kind of have to play around a little bit, but I've been doing this for so long, I've gotten really quick about it. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other side. So you just kind of slide it up in there and then you just kind of poke around and you'll be able to feel it going in. Okay, like I said, it's kind of awkward because you're gonna have to pick your nose a little bit, but all right, there is the nose all done. Quick and easy, right? Oh my gosh, that looks so much better already. I'm so excited. All right, next we're gonna do the lips. I have a Medusa and a Labrae. Sometimes if I have a piece of jewelry where I cannot get the top ball off because it's on really tight, I will use 2 pairs of hemostats. These ones are like stupid large, but I'll basically take one and I'll wrap it around the barbell, okay, and lock it. So it's like that. And then I'll take the other one and I will twist it loose. Not super tight because you don't want to like damage the jewelry in any way, so you just need a little bit of pressure. There we go. Got that off, and I'm also going to get my eyebrow jewelry ready too. So I am a very small-faced person, I guess, and a lot of my jewelry is the same size for almost every piercing. So my nose hoops are 1/4 of an inch diameter, my lip rings are 16 gauge, 1/4 of an inch in length, and my eyebrow piercing is 16 gauge, 1/4 or 6 millimeters, 1/4 of an inch long. Okay, so they're pretty much all the same. It's just what works for me. I like my jewelry to be tight on my face, but not too tight. I like it to be snug. I don't like it when I can still see the barbell. I mean, seeing a little bit of the barbell is okay. That's healthy, because you can't have a piercing super snug. That's just a recipe for disaster. But I like them to be short. I like really short. So we're gonna do my Medusa first. So I will curl my lip so I can see the barbell. I will take my little hemostats and I will grab the barbell and just lock them like this. Careful not to pinch your skin. Like that. And sometimes this is when the gloves come into play because, you know, our natural oils and stuff. So I will just put one glove on my dominant hand, and then I kind of have to get up close to do this. Boom, just like that. So there's the barbell. Ta-da! I'm a magician, bitch. All right, now we're gonna do the labre, same thing. Just gonna take it. Okay. Oh my God, that feels weird. Okay. All right, now we're just gonna slide the new jewelry in. So to do that, I will just flip my lip. Okay, and again, I'm gonna take my hemostats and I'm gonna get my ball ready here. And I'm gonna grab the barbell so it stays in place. And then I'm gonna line the ball up in my hands here. Like that. And then once I have it on, this is when I need to tighten it. So I take the hemostats again, wrap it, and just twist, just to make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then I just like to check it. I'll tilt my head down so I can see the barbell, and you shouldn't be able to see any of the threading. So that one is on there nice and tight. Now we're gonna do the labre. Just gonna pull my lip down like that. And none of this hurts. None of, like, changing your jewelry should never, ever hurt. I feel absolutely no pain because everything is healed, everything is good. So it's basically just all about the tedious twisting of the balls. Okay, same thing. It's so hard to like. Okay, and then hemostats again. All right, so those are on there nice and tight now. Oh my gosh, this is such a different look. I've never done this before. This looks cool. Okay, this looks cool. I dig it. I like the all black. That looks good. All right, so the only other one we have to do is the eyebrow. I've had my eyebrow pierced in the past before, and I recently just got it done a few months ago. So this will only be my second time changing it since I've had it. So I'm gonna push up, and I'm gonna grab the barbell with my hemostats. Try not to pinch your skin. And just untwist. Okay. I'm just gonna push, pull it out, and we're gonna take the new guy. just like that. Okay, I'm just gonna push up, grab that barbell, and tighten it. Boom. And there we go. Woohoo! See how quick that was? This video is like, I think that took me under 5 minutes to do, like straight up. And here's what everything looks like all changed to black. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. I should have done this way sooner. Usually I just keep like the silver in, but I really like the black. What's the point of hemostats? Some of you are probably wondering. Most of you probably know what they're for, but I use hemostats to grab the barbell because sometimes when you're trying to twist a ball onto a little post, sometimes you can't get it as tight as you need it to be because as you're twisting, that barbell is also twisting. So what the hemostats do is they keep that barbell, keeps it like still, so that way you can twist the ball on. And that goes for externally and internally threaded jewelry. Just keeping that barbell like stiff and straight and still helps you to twist that ball on as tight as you need it. And sometimes if you can't get it, I like to use 2 pairs of hemostats. I accidentally bought these really big ones. So if you are gonna do the hemostat route, please get the little 5-inch ones. You don't need the 25 million feet ones because these are just, I mean, I still use these, they come in handy, but definitely small little locking hemostats are the way to go. I'm feeling this look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the all black? Do you like the all silver better? Let me know, but I think like with this new septum ring, I think this is just chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. I did recently, within the last few months or so, I filmed a full body jewelry declutter video where I literally went through all of my body jewelry and decluttered it and got rid of stuff. So if you guys want to see how I organize it, how I store it, I will link that video down below for you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today for this quick little changing my facial jewelry video. I don't know if any of you are gonna like this. I just thought I would film it and show you my quick and easy routine and products that help change my jewelry. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button, turn on all notifications. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.